Okay. What's up, everybody? Y'all know who it is. I'm Asia, and y'all my nation. And today we about to be doing a seafood mukbang, trying the bloves sauce for the first time. Today I got
what you see,
my mother, and I have
Jamira.
And this is my bowl. We trying bloves special sauce right here. My mom got it for me for Christmas.
Ooh.
Cause I'm always watching her videos and whatever. And this my mom and my cousin got their sauces over here. We're gonna talk about. All right, Ron. We're gonna talk about New Year's, Christmas. Well, New Year's hasn't came yet, but we're gonna talk about our goals for the New Year, Christmas, everything, etc. So let's do a thumbnail. Then we can dig in. Hey, they gotta put their gloves on first. What? I thought you already had yours on.
I had one of them on. I took it off.
First, let me start with rolling my sleeves up.
I'm trying to tell you.
Pink?
Pink is for breast cancer.
Pink is for breast cancer. Sorry. Come on, Sluppo. What the fuck is getting cold? It's probably just the gloves.
Okay.
You ready?
Whatever.
Yo.
Oh, we gotta do this. Okay. Alright, y'all can dig in.
This has been in here.
Ooh, I'm dropping stuff already. Alright, so I'm about to start with a crab leg. Jemima can't even see you.
What are you eating, Jamira?
A cucumber.
I don't want to spill it.
So I'm gonna try my bloves sauce for the first time.
Ooh.
It's good to me, but it's kind of spicy.
It's
That's
a mild.
But it's spicy.
Oh, it's good.
But I got some kick to it.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Sorry, y'all.
Try to get some of that seafood juice.
Oh, by the way, y'all, my mama's allergic to seafood, so she got some fake crabs and stuff over here. So I'm trying my best not to get nothing on her. I'm a really clumsy person.
This is what they be doing right here.
Yeah. Look at her enjoying herself. If I could get my crab out, I could do that. Yeah, look at her face. It's like, ew. Yeah, she's allergic to seafood.
I'm cold.
Mine's cold too. But I'm still about to eat. I don't wait long enough.
Mine's cold, like it's been in the refrigerator.
Mine's warm. Mine's cold. But we could lay a napkin out right here alone, please.
I wonder if I can put this crab stuff in the refrigerator. I mean, in the microwave.
She got fake crabs, y'all. Not in front of the camera. Over it. Just over it. Put it right here. Yeah, we can put our shell on there. If I don't spit it back into here. These crabs good. Oh, she also got me these crabs for Christmas, too.
Man, my stuff cold.
Don't they spicy a little bit?
Nope.
You got a little kick to it.
I don't taste it yet.
That's good because she don't like hot stuff at all.
Me? Well, y'all container smaller. That's probably why you can taste everything. See, I think getting all the way to the bottom. Mine's not.
But cut the oven on.
I knew I should have brought you scissors.
But yeah.
Next time I go to try some king crabs.
So,
A lot of
Tamara,
sauce.
tell us about yourself.
Well, I'm Alicia's cousin. I'm 15. My birthday's in 5 months. April 1st, save the date.
Oh my god. Save the date.
Save the date. April Fools. Whatever.
April Fool.
April Fools. That's what it is.
Yeah, her birthday on April Fool's Day. I'm
Every-
gonna get her one year.
She did give me every year.
He doing? You go for it.
I be stupid. It be early in the morning.
Or she can forget, like, dang, it's my birthday.
Yeah,
She
no.
that's
I'm
what
not believing nothing on
Keep
that
them
day.
fair.
'cause
Y'all wanna
you know
mix it up a
anything
little
bad
I remember
will
I woke
happen.
up with a bunch of gifts next to me.
And
my
it
mom-
was books in the shoebox.
My mom was like, "Oh, these gifts are me and TJ." I said, "Okay, bet." I opened all my mom's gifts. They was normal, regular gifts. I opened this Jordan shoebox and it was full of books, and I closed it. I didn't even take the books out. I just
I
opened the
would
box
have been
and closed
mad.
it.
Oh, this means war.
And TJ ran downstairs laughing. Ran upstairs laughing.
That's good with the
Wait, so
cucumber.
he did. So it was your birthday.
It was a bunch of books, and I was like,
They had gifts.
Come
Why
say
did,
hi, best boy Mel. Give her damn to Malaysia.
It's done.
Let me try this seafood. I'm just playing. I hate
This fake, you want to try mine?
No.
The
not
sauce is
fake.
good.
I hate seafood.
Well, I'm going to excuse myself from the video because my food is cold. Like, for real, for real. And then I'll just come back whenever my food get done.
So,
Okay, Asian Nation.
Steak.
my what?
Crab steak.
What else I need to try with her sauce?
Yo, I really love me some corn, so this young buzzing right now.
Oh, I didn't try it with the
That makes
corn.
the corn look disgusting. I dip in it.
This sauce is divine. This sauce right here. I mean, we always gotta have a hater.
Period.
How am I? I'm not. Anyways.
Don't tell my mom like that.
2 steps.
Period.
She said.
2 steps.
I'm not.
Alright, let's start talking.
Yeah, I'm gonna excuse myself from the video because my food, like it was like cold, like it was in the refrigerator. That's when leave my needle on the floor. I'm making a mess already.
Yeah, this is good, bro. Alright, I've just a little quick now from the sauce.
Somebody tried to sell me the Be Love sauce for $85 whenever it sold out on Amazon. Well, I ain't gonna say they tried to sell it to me, but it was on Amazon through a third party for $85.
We gotta scoot the camera over something because Jamara over here dogging this and y'all can't even see.
Oh, get on over here, Jamara.
If I scoot over something because I have
He's
seafood.
ugly.
I'm about to dip anyway, so
Are you gonna come back in the video?
yeah, I'm about to go.
Oh, I didn't try the crab with the lemons.
Oh, that's what she do first, ain't it?
She already had done with the lemons.
Tell me if it's good, and I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Let's scoot the camera over just a little bit this way so you can see Jamara.
Yeah, this is the day after Christmas. New Year's in 5 days.
Yes, I got a good piece. Woo! Mine look like yours now, finally. Cause I be seeing how they do it on the video. My stomach hurt though.
Oh, I forgot to put some lemon on it.
Yes, okay. Oh my, we can scoot the camera over this way so they can see Jamira.
They don't need to see me. It's good.
When she go in to eat her food, they can't see her.
Yes, they can.
Now they can, cause she moved over.
Oh my, I'm an ugly eater.
You know what? A good eater. I just play. You know who a word eater? Who? Mommy. She be eating like this. But look how.
And Scooter say you weird. Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you what we got.
This how you eat it. Ready?
So we got crabs,
You got this.
legs, cucumbers, lemons, sausages, potatoes, and
Cause I
corn.
don't like my mouth
Make
being a
YouTube
mess.
shout out
I know,
on
but
your
Give me a
page,
napkin.
your YouTube page.
Napkin.
Who want to give a shout out to?
I'm just saying.
Shout out to Beth for
Sometimes. Shout out
Where's
to my
shrimp
mom.
at? Where's shrimp
I
at?
give a
Yes,
shout
that's
out
shrimp.
to-
I ate shrimp.
I give a shout out to people who
I
I
ain't
think
eat the
deserve
shrimp
a
yet
shout out.
with the sauce.
Check my bag.
You big old girl, you can't even take this out.
When your food cold, but you still eating it.
You told her to mommy.
Like the Be Love sauce. I'm about full anyways.
I wish we had, what's the name? I wish we had milk. I thought we had milk.
Look at that. Drip it down my lip.
Whew.
Can't forget the Bev. Feel me?
Let's do a cheers. Where y'all bad at?
I should have got juice instead of
Okay, here,
soda.
dirty lady. Ooh.
Look at that.
Here, Jamira, come on. Cheers me up.
Make room.
For having a nice bad, Jamira.
Period.
2020 is gonna be a good year.
Hopefully.
Don't ask me what I'm drinking. Okay, mine's cold. Let me just go on and get rid of this. Treasure, you want to get over here and get in
Oh,
this?
it's not sweet.
Get that.
I'm just tired of eating already.
Mm.
I want a sausage.
Oh, I can get mine. I'm just up in there.
So, want to give me a napkin?
I want that pickle ginger.
Oh, you had a piece already?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get one. Yes, I did not get one. Yeah.
You just shrimp.
Hmm?
You just shrimp.
You want a piece?
Man.
You want a piece of shrimp?
If you would call me ahead of time, I would have been ready.
You gotta. peel it.
Here.
Yeah, so this is your shrimp that you gotta peel. It don't come without like the shell. You gotta peel it off. And these gloves are too thick.
Girl, yeah, I'm about. Shit, I don't mean church makes me think about.
This one got legs on it still.
Bust it down, bust down. Yeah, but even though I'm eating fake seafood.
Eat fake seafood.
Right, I see.
But Maida, how was your Christmas?
My Christmas is lovely, so I have to tell you guys what I got. After I show y'all what this bloves sauce look like. Look. How it looks on my corn. It's good.
Oh wait, you bit on it already?
It just flew everywhere.
How you like that sauce?
I love it.
Oh, who think it still got meat in here?
That's Jamaira's.
Jamar, you supposed to break this too.
I don't know how to break that.
I don't even eat seafood.
Let me see. Let me see.
I don't know how to
Look,
break
it's
it.
meat in there. Look at that meat.
Just give it to me. So I can break it for her.
That's the knuckle.
Girl. Oh my God.
Look at all that
Here's
meat.
a piece of meat right there.
That little piece of meat.
Get
Girl,
it.
You eat it yourself.
Go like this, Jamar.
It's meat. All this is meat. Look.
Word.
Jamar,
Listen.
just pick it. All this is meat.
I don't even
Look.
eat seafood, and I know that. All that good meat. Ooh.
It's baked this or
Yes,
Garlic?
yes.
Good.
Garlic crabs in Florida. Big Daddy
Yeah.
Crab Shack.
Oh yeah, I think we have passed that.
Big Daddy Crab Shack in the 239.
Why didn't you get no sausage? You got a sausage.
There's not that many sausages in there.
It's not. Did you eat them all?
Only have one.
What is that?
It's only like it was like 5 sausages. My mom has 3. And
What is that?
she bought some more, but she said we need to save these for the house. I don't feel like getting the rest of the meat on it. Here.
I'm gonna have that moment next. You ain't gonna eat your crabs?
Did you keep on your sausage?
Malaysia, can I show you a video with you?
Yeah,
Let me give her something. You can put her, make her up a little.
she can eat off my plate.
And this is
Okay.
Oh, but okay, yeah, get her that.
My name Treasure, y'all, and I'm Malaysia's first cousin.
Ooh, around my mouth started to burn.
I hope you know how to eat crabs, Treasure. Because these people over here don't know what they do.
Oh!
Give Treasure one of those.
Look at all that meat.
Ooh.
Treasure can get this one. It got more meat in it.
Look. Wow.
Oh, just to let you know, I doubled it. If you don't mind.
What you think?
This sauce is really good.
Yay.
No sausage?
I thought you said sausage.
Sauce.
Cause I've been
She did
looking
say
for
sauce.
I said
She
this
said
sauce.
What's this
sauce.
green stuff?
Green stuff? Maybe you should eat it.
I know, I seen it earlier and I was picking it
It's
out
probably Duke.
when I was rinsing it
I
off.
don't know. Put it to the side. Don't eat it.
Bro, I'm trying to find the sausage and I can't find it. Okay, you got some on yours?
If I do, you cannot have it.
Mom, you had
Oh,
3.
wow.
So it was like 4 sausages and you had 3.
Huh?
I remember I was like, it's only a little bit of sausages.
So what? I bought it and y'all got way more crab meat. I got some fake stuff.
Okay.
Wow, bro.
You're right.
It's hard out here.
Until I thought you loved me though.
I do. It's real hard out here. I gotta eat fake crab meat that I never even ate before.
Okay, y'all, so what I got for Christmas, I got an Apple Watch.
Ooh.
I got oh my God, Mom.
Yeah, what?
You want this meat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm gonna show y'all how to eat crabs.
Show them how to do a tray.
Alright, I'm gonna try to break this knuckle open.
So
wait. Try to get this part.
yeah, you're gonna use it. You're gonna utilize these lemons or what?
Tell you can't taste that pickled ginger, can you?
Make I can see your juice. See?
Juice. What you want? What you want? Some
The
juice?
whole thing right there.
Oh, I got you. Give me glass. Oh
It's
no.
it's filled already.
Oh yeah. Okay.
This one tastes good with
When I
soda.
say I'm tired of eating,
Already?
Eat
Yeah.
crabs is another word.
It's big.
yeah, no. Not this one.
I eat the bigger one. Sure.
You need y'all need one of these? It'll put the middle now.
Thank you.
Utensils.
Yeah, cause they be using scissors and everything. Somebody can have this. I don't want this. Oh,
Girl.
hold on, wait.
Oh my God, Malaysia.
Wait. Because
Auntie Lisa made me some?
Yep. I got you.
they ain't doing it like me on YouTube. Getting this piece out.
The doorbell just rang.
Look at all that. Look at all that meat. Look at all that.
Ooh, yes,
So I'm be nice. Give you a half.
I hope you're supposed to be eating all of that. You
You
try
can
to
eat this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Don't
It's this
eat,
meat. Look.
All
It's
right.
me all in there.
don't eat nothing green.
Actually, I can taste the
Ginger pickle ginger.
Yep.
I don't like the taste of it. I
It's
don't.
good.
It's good in that. It's not good by itself.
I don't know.
But
It's disgusting by itself.
It's good in that. I don't
It's too
know how
sweet.
she managed to figure that one out right there.
Pickle
Who
ginger.
even
So
eat?
who just go around buys that?
Because what
Order
it is,
that.
it make it kind of sweet.
Beloved, I would
Right,
like
and
for
I
you
like
to
it.
text me and tell me where did you think to get ginger from? Pickled ginger.
Yo, this tastes so good.
Or this recipe.
The Coca-Cola was working for me.
It's really
I really want some water because it's so much better.
I got you. Piece of air.
Oh, but yeah,
Y'all supposed to suck the juice out.
for Christmas,
Tell them.
I got an Apple Watch. I got a whole Victoria's Secret basket. My mom made it.
Right.
It's an umbrella in there. That umbrella cost like $48
Her mom and
By
me made
itself.
it.
by itself. But
Yep.
it had an umbrella in there. It got pink panties. I think got everything in there from pink besides a bra,
blanket. Oh.
right?
It wasn't a bra.
Right. I think I got a pink makeup bag, a pink wallet type thing, a pink.
Look at
I
your
got
nephew.
so much
Look at
stuff.
your nephew.
Thank you. I got so much stuff. Then after that, I do hair. So she gave me a hair bag, a hair basket. I mean, that had this one big edge control. But I keep one in, and this other little edge control.
I think you got something else more from Pete.
I still got more in my basket.
I'm saying you ain't say everything. Oh, she got a phone case. It's like you put it around
Oh,
your
it's
neck.
waterproof.
You put it around your neck. You put your phone in it, ID, and what else? She got?
So waterproof case for when I be in the water.
Yep. And she got a sponge.
Oh yeah.
Baby cousin
Excuse
wants
the crying. That's my little cousin. It's her baby.
Can you woo?
I'm tired of you.
some. She probably sleeping.
It is all the
Look,
work.
Malaysia.
That's
Ooh.
yeah.
Wait. Cause I've been struggling.
Get in there, so.
You want me to help you?
Can you break another one for me?
Yeah, I got you. You want this one?
Sure.
Oh no, that'd be probably complicated. We can get mine right here. Let's see if we can get it. I be seeing they be cracking right in the middle.
Yep.
And then like,
Yo, bro.
and then you'll have a good crack. Let's see. This one I want to crack. I don't think this one gonna be a good one. Let's see.
You know what's good? That shrunk.
Not shrunk.
Yeah, I need.
This
another
one wasn't a
ID
good one.
parts of that.
Yeah, that one wasn't a good one. Ooh. Now this type of one you need scissors for. Oh, this probably got a king crab bill right there because it's pokey.
Mm-hmm.
But I know it's pokey because they be saying how
You're gonna need scissors for that.
Yeah, for this we're gonna need some scissors. What is on pokey too?
Damn, man, this need to tear my fucking.
Red Lobster give you nutcrackers.
We got a nutcracker.
What you did?
I got a little bit.
Coupon?
I'm going back to my corn. Sometimes seafood is just too much.
Oh, I got it on my shirt. Okay, I'm getting a little
Ooh,
too
look at that. Yes, a nice dip.
tired. Let me get some of this cucumber again.
You know I never had cucumber. Let me get some of this.
Sometimes the sauce is just too much because so much butter and so much. It's just so much.
Can I taste the cucumber? Like
Yeah.
So you helping to eat
I
this food?
never had cucumber.
Seafood?
Never ever?
Ever, not even tasted cucumber.
Not in salad? No nothing? I had to
So this is your first time like ever eating cucumber.
It's
Wow.
actually really good.
And these are the crunchy cucumbers. These are not the regular ones that you buy from the store. Well, you can get them from the store too, but these are the crunchy ones.
You know what this reminds me of? This cucumber.
Florida?
It
Go.
tastes like a watermelon,
What?
but with no sweetness to it.
The green part?
Another video of a
The whole thing.
Where you buying the sausage at?
It was in there, right there.
Wow.
It
So I was
in
looking
the
for...
bottom.
Stop it.
There's one right there, Jamara.
Where? No,
It's one right there.
Right here.
Go, Jamie.
Auntie Toya, don't this cucumber taste like watermelon with no sweetness?
Watermelon.
Right.
I'm happy I got a sausage, bro.
Mmm.
So happy.
It's good.
My mother's gonna come.
Jamar, what you got for Christmas?
What I got for Christmas?
Yeah.
I got a bunch of clothes.
Me too. I got a bunch of
A
clothes.
lot of clothes.
Hey, to Jeremy, we're doing a video.
Invite my
Oh,
mom.
I want Jimmy to taste a piece of that.
Right.
My mom love her some seafood.
She might go.
Oh no, you're packed.
Hi, mom.
Hi.
Jimmy, let me show you my fake seafood.
Oh,
boil.
cucumber. Y'all did the cucumbers.
Yeah, I just really got.
Then look at my fake seafood boil. My fake
Good
crab.
corner
Look at my fake crab leg.
What is it?
I'm getting a little
It's
full
unfishy crab
now.
meat.
Oh, I ain't even
It
tried
already come like that.
with the lemon.
No.
Woo!
I'm trying lemon.
I'm
and-
tired.
And the shrimp. My want one?
Oh, it looks like a crab leg.
Let's try not to eat so fast.
You want one?
No, thank you.
Give me a napkin.
I made fries.
Mom, napkin,
This in
napkin.
the oven.
Mom, give me a napkin, please.
Napkin?
Yeah, come on, like spit.
You got some of that ginger pickle?
No, it's through my butter.
Oh, girl.
Ginger pickle.
Pickle, ginger, something like that.
Pickled ginger.
Mom, why you laughing?
It actually tastes good in the sauce though.
It do.
Okay, I'm not try with the
Ginger
lemon.
is very rich, isn't it? Like garlic.
It tastes, yeah, to me. It's sweet though.
Did y'all try
It's so much
potato?
butter.
Yeah, it's good.
I don't like it with the lemon. I'll pass.
I need water. Water break. That's what we have to say. We dropping stuff for you.
That's alright.
You took off your spot. Yo, if one of y'all wants some corn, y'all better get it before I get it.
Corn?
Yeah, them corn, that corn
So
is
you guys
busting.
out the food.
I'm gonna try it.
Hey, Church, you tried the cucumbers? How about your cucumber with the sauce?
I should let
Remember
you
I
have
told
it.
you it tastes like
like
watermelon
it?
with no sweetness.
Still
It tastes good.
Around it. What that thing that Church?
I'll eat this side.
Jamie got it?
Think so.
Who's gonna put in here?
Yeah, I just gave him some.
Mom,
I literally just gave him a cup of water.
yo, look at my
You
chin.
got deep, bro.
You do. You really do.
Man, you borrow shoes? You borrow shoes?
I know that Benadryl make me sleepy.
I know, I'm sexy.
It feel like crab meat in the bottom there.
You want one?
No, thank you.
Mom going home tonight. Can we go to one tomorrow?
I don't know about the mall, but we might go somewhere.
Yeah, I'm tired of eating. I want them like that. my face is a mess. How did it not there?
I wonder how it tastes like that.
Almost fell.
I wonder how to put
I mean, my stomach was hurting a little bit before I started the video.
Right. I already eating.
This is a bad time to start.
We
the video.
like Taco Bell and all.
I was hungry.
I wasn't hungry. My stomach was hurting.
My stomach was like that earlier too. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It was hurting for no reason.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try
Real bad.
eating the potato with the lemon. I know I'm not gonna like it, but I'm gonna try it anyway.
But I feel like once I ate something, it helped.
And seafood is not the thing to eat. Seafood, like the smell of seafood hurts
You
my
got
stomach.
meat in this?
Yeah,
Girl.
I didn't eat that. I just cracked it. The smell of seafood hurts my stomach anyway. So when before it got cooked, it started hurting my stomach.
We should have.
So I don't like the smell of seafood. That's why I don't eat it that
If
much.
you would have had the egg, I would have eaten that only.
Oh yeah, my mom wanted me to make egg, but I don't like that with seafood.
I love eggs.
You ain't gonna taste it?
Yeah, the egg when you put that, you just eat a egg, a boiled
Yeah,
egg.
but I'm saying you're not gonna taste it if it's cooked with it.
Bro, it's nasty. Like the egg itself, the white part is good.
Yeah, I don't like the
The
green
yellow
part.
part inside
It's nasty.
is nasty when eating
I
with
never
seafood.
eat it. I don't like boiled eggs. It's disgusting. Disgusting. I like scrambled eggs, yes. But boiled, it's very nasty.
I'm gonna die in these cute eggs.
I already planned to forcing myself to eat.
But I am forcing myself to eat. Too skinny. It's sad. It's sad.
I'm tired. So y'all wanna go for New Year's? one of my goals for my channel is to get
This is really good.
15K.
I love the sauce.
15,000 subscribers before October
Yo, bro.
14. So that was my birthday gift for YouTube. 50,000 subscribers for you. And that should not be that hard because I already have 9,000. So
Right.
I had a whole crab leg in here. Look.
I'm gonna grind this New Year's. I'm gonna figure something out because I actually just like deleted like 4 videos out of my camera roll on here. If I can make this video because my stuff don't be want to post and it don't be want to select stuff on YouTube. If I can even get my video up all the way like for like 30 minutes, it'll take it down.
When we first started eating, I loved it. Now I'm just getting tired of it. Like,
We about to end it because I'm tired. I'm about to eat a lemon myself.
yeah, look at the bottom of my lip. Look at that.
Look at my face. They don't look greasy. Not like that.
Cause we been chomp, chomp, chomp. You, no. Oh, you will get a little messy. The top part of your mouth.
Just a little bit.
I don't even feel that's on my chin. I don't feel it at all.
By the way, hold on.
Can I go to one more potato?
Girl, yeah.
This shit is really good.
By the way, it is December 26th. Yes, might do that when I eat some salt. Might do that when I eat some sour. So the lemon just kicked in. Alright. I can't control it. It just happens. Today is December 26th. So it's my big brother's birthday. So my comments are disabled. So y'all can text me and say happy birthday for him if y'all want to make him feel special. Right now he's at the hotel with his friends and his girlfriend. Living their best life.
And he just turned 18.
Big 18. So there's a lot of meat in there. You want that? If you get it from right there, yeah.
Yo, bro, my pants is so dirty.
God dang!
It don't hurt.
I wish I could do that, but I got these bracelets. Show them how much meat in there. Now it's looking like a king crab.
Let me see.
I just want to crack another one. Let me try that.
If I was biting it, I was gonna mess around and have a
That's
shell.
why you bite the back of your teeth.
And like I was saying,
Look how much
if I was
meat
biting
in
it,
there,
I would
y'all.
have messed around and had one of the shells.
Oh, look here. Get that. It's a
jump
lot
to the
of,
back
it's a
of
lot
my
of meat.
throat.
I'm not about to eat it. I just want to. Oh, look at that slide.
I'll eat it.
No, you want the meat? I just gave it to her.
Alright, try to pick out that meat.
Okay, back. Oh, I already got some right there and right there. But I want to go like this.
You gotta practice more eating crab.
My mom don't be sharing crabs that she be buying at home.
And my mom is allergic.
Yeah.
My mom need to go grocery shopping. Every time my mom go grocery
Here you go,
shopping,
Jamar.
every time my mom go grocery shopping, she get like 2 boxes of crab.
There's more in here, though.
Look at that.